So this hole is for the suction. So when you switch on the and this hole is the air to blow out. So when you remove this from the suction side and fix it on the blowing out side, now you will get warm air out. So what are you going to do with this? Let me show you. Now it is fixed on the blowing out side. So you can feel, I can feel some warm air from the vacuum cleaner. So it's really warm. You can try that. And you can clean your carpet very easily. It will dry. If you want to do it in perfectly, then you can try this method. To do this, what you have to do is, you have to find a hidden place. So somewhere under the table or under the chair where the hole will not be seen by any others, right? So I have created a hole somewhere here near the table, so it might not be visible when I do that. I can shape it out. So create a hole to the size of this hose, then only you can avoid wastages. That means the air, warm air won't be blowing out outside of the carpet. So the entire, you can make use of the entire blowing air into the carpet. So create like this and insert this hose into the hole. Continuously warming air under the carpet, so that will make the carpet very quickly into dry condition. So try this. So can you see here? Warm air is everywhere now. So this hole is for the suction. So when you switch on the